all are well at your home. Today, I am going to start a new chapter in EVS, that is, chapter number 16, The Earth and the Sky. Dear children, do you know where do we live? Yes, we live on the planet Earth. You know, children, that our Earth is covered with land and water. It has more water than land. The Earth has air, water, heat, and light which helps plant and animals to live. Now, children, tell me, have you seen a globe? Globe is a sphere-shaped model of the Earth. When you turn the globe around, it starts spinning. The Earth spins the same way, just like a globe. As I have already told you that Earth is covered with land and water. So, let's talk about the land. Land has many shapes and forms. It has forests and flatlands. In some places, it is raised. An area of land where many trees grow is called forest. As you know, many animals live in a forest. Flatlands are called plains. Raised but not very high parts of land are called hills. Raised and very high parts of land are called mountains. There are valleys between the hills and the mountains. Land which is dry and covered with sand is called a desert. So, yes, land has many shapes and forms like a forest, a plain, hills, mountains, valleys, and desert. Now, let's talk about water on the earth. Water is present on the earth in forms of river, lakes, ponds, seas, and oceans. It is also found in the form of snow on mountains. Water is also found under the ground. Many plants and animals live in water. Moving ahead, let's talk about the sky. The space above the earth is the sky. We can see the sun, the moon, the stars, and the clouds in the sky. During the day, the sun shines brightly in the sky. The sky appears blue. We see white, fluffy clouds in the sky. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky after it rains. Children, there are 7 colors in rainbow. Let's see the names. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, these are the 7 colors you see in the rainbow. We have talked about the daytime. Now, at night, the sky is dark, stars twinkle, and the moon shines in the night sky. The shape of moon changes every night. We cannot see the sun at night. So basically, the sky looks different in the daytime and at the night time. Moving ahead, days and weeks. One day is equal to 24 hours. It has morning, afternoon, evening, and night. A period of 7 days from Monday to Sunday forms 1 week. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 1 year has 365 days and 52 weeks. Here the chapter is over. Book exercise we will do in online class. Let's proceed towards copywork. As you all know that on the left side you will write the date on which you will do right side classwork, and in the middle of the first 3 lines you will write lesson number and lesson name, the earth and the sky. After that you will leave one line and write number 1 difficult words. The first word is globe, GLOBE. Second word is plains, PLAINS. Third word is valleys, VALLEYS. Number 4 is desert, DESERT. Fifth word is fluffy, FLUFFY. You have to write all these words 4 times. After that, again you will leave one line and write number 2, answer in one word. Leave one line again and write question number 1. What is the earth made up of? Question mark, and the answer is land and water. You will leave one line and write number 2. What is the spear-shaped model of the earth called? And the answer is globe. Again, you will leave one line and come to next page. Number 3. A piece of land with many trees is called as, answer is forest. Leave one line and write number 4. Flat lands are called as full stop. Answer is plains. Again leave one line and write number 5. Land which is covered with sand is called as, answer desert. Number 6. The space above the earth is known as, answer is sky. Leave one line and write number 7. A very high part of land is known as, full stop, answer mountain. Number 8. How many days are there in one year? Question mark. Answer is 365 days. Leave one line and write number 9. What is between the hills and the mountains? Question mark. Answer is valleys. And the last question is, how many weeks are there in one year? Question mark. Answer is 52 weeks. After that, you will draw one single line margin at the end. Here, the copy work is completed.